You just got the call. You're the executor, but no one tells you what to do first. Let's be honest, being named an executor is a profound honor, but it can also feel completely overwhelming. It means that someone trusted you with their life's work, and now you're suddenly balancing your own grief with decisions, family questions, legal deadlines, and a mountain of to-do lists. In Lancaster County and throughout Pennsylvania, we see executors struggle with the weight of this responsibility every day. You aren't just filing paperwork, you're managing a legacy. At HK Keller, we believe that settling an estate isn't a sprint, it's structured stewardship. We want to help you walk through the entire journey, from the first 30 days to the final distribution, so you can move forward with clarity and confidence. The first month is about protection and organization. You don't have to rush to settle the entire estate in 30 days. You just need to get it moving in the right direction. First, you must secure the property. This means locking the doors and possibly even changing the locks, checking the insurance coverage, and forwarding the mail. Before you can distribute anything, you have to preserve it. Second, you need to locate the original will. This document is your roadmap. Once you have it, the next step is to contact an estate attorney. And some good news, if an attorney drafted the will, they also have a copy of it. In Pennsylvania, most estates go through a process called probate. An executor does not have to tackle this alone. This is where bringing in an experienced estate attorney helps you. Think of them as your shield against mistakes. The attorney works for the estate to help file probate, prepare complex legal documents, and guide your tax filings. Perhaps most importantly, they protect you. As an executor, you have a fiduciary duty, and an attorney ensures that you stay legally sound. They provide the professional buffer that helps reduce family conflict, ensuring every step follows the law rather than personal opinion. Finally, start a basic asset list. Don't worry about every little silver spoon yet. Just identify the big items: bank accounts, investment accounts, real estate, vehicles, and equipment. There's a lot of fear around the word probate, but it's simply the court-supervised process of validating the will and appointing you officially. Once you visit the Register of Wills and receive your letters testamentary, you finally have the legal authority to act. However, in Pennsylvania, there is a clock ticking. Inheritance tax is a reality here. Depending on the relationship to the deceased, heirs may pay between 4.5% and 15%. One pro tip: if the inheritance tax is paid within 3 months of the date of death, Pennsylvania offers a small discount. That's why staying organized early on is so beneficial to the heirs. As the months progress, you face the two biggest hurdles: the home and the contents. This is where family dynamics often get, shall we say, sticky. When it comes to the stuff, the decades of memories packed into a home, we recommend a 3-step approach. First, start with the family selection for sentimental items. Then move to evaluating the valuables. This could be equipment, precious metals, jewelry, coin collections, firearms, and other assets of value. Finally, decide on the best liquidation method. At HK Keller, our online auctions are often the best stress-free solution to clear a house while ensuring the estate receives fair market value. We found that the average estate has between $4,000 and $8,000 worth of contents. Some have a lot more and some have less. Many times the stuff is in the way of selling the real estate. So let's talk about the real estate, the house itself. You have a few options. First, one heir or family member buys out the others. Second option, you can sell it privately to a friend, neighbor, or someone who has expressed interest. The third and most common option is list it traditionally with a realtor, or fourth, sell at auction. An auction is often the most executor-friendly choice because it can often be combined with selling the personal property. At auction, the property sells in as-is condition with a predetermined auction date, a closing date, removing the stress of negotiations and repairs. A fifth option, and possibly our favorite, is to combine the listing and auction by offering the property to buyers to purchase prior to the auction. Remember, your job as executor isn't to make everyone happy, it's to treat everyone fairly. Many people ask, how long does this actually take? Well, realistically, in Pennsylvania, most estates take 9 to 18 months to fully settle. Between months 3 and 9, you'll be in the active administration phase. This is when properties are sold, debts are paid, and tax returns are filed. This is also when communication becomes your greatest tool. Heirs start getting restless around month 6. Providing steady, transparent updates often prevents tension and keeps the family unit intact. The final phase, usually after month 12, involves the formal closing of the estate and the final distribution of assets. When you reach this point, the heavy lifting is done, and you successfully fulfilled your duty. Estate settlement is a season of life. It has a beginning, it has milestones, and it does have an end. By following a methodical process and leaning on professional guidance, you protect both the assets and the relationship within your family. At H.K. Keller, we've spent decades helping families across Pennsylvania navigate these exact waters. Whether you need help evaluating personal property or deciding the best way to sell the home, we're here to provide clarity, not pressure. If you're serving as an executor and need a steady hand to help with the logistics, please visit us at hkkeller.com. I'm Tim Keller, and remember, estate settlement isn't about speed, it's about stewardship. Proceed carefully, and you will serve your loved one's legacy well.